On today's video, we're talking glass cleaning and glass protection, and we're going to do it on this GT4. So let's make sure your glass looks as good as this glass. So QuickView comes in a box, which is a little untraditional. Most bottles and products you get when you order something from a detailing company is going to just be in a bottle, but this actually comes in a little box. So you take this out of here, and we have this little bottle. So this is an all-in-one bottle and applicator. So you can hear, hopefully we can hear that. So there's a liquid inside of here, and you basically just screw this off. And make sure this shows that now. So you can see it kind of has like a felt kind of applicator tip. So all we're going to do is put this on the glass, and you're going to push, and it'll start coming out, and you'll see it. And then you're just going to work it in circular motions. And we already cleaned the glass earlier, so I used panel prep to clean the glass earlier, and I also polished the glass because this car was just at the Dragon, and or the tail of the Dragon, and it was pretty bugged out. So I wanted to make sure the glass was clean before I did this. You can basically do that step by hand with any compound or polish you have in your cabinet at home. It's a step you don't have to do, but I would definitely recommend you do it. And like I said, guys, you can't really screw this up. I could stop right now if I wanted to, but I'm going to do one more layer on top of what I just did. You can kind of squeeze the bottle a little bit if it's not coming out as good, and it'll push a little bit more out. And then we're just going to switch sides. Make sure you lift your windshield wipers so you can get underneath the windshield wiper. So when you're done with doing your application, you're just going to screw this back on and make sure it's on there tight, because if it's not on tight, it'll want to leak out. And then you can just store it on your shelf like that, or you can keep it in the box. It's whatever your preference is. I would probably, once I've opened it, I'd probably just keep it on my shelf like that, and that would be it. So keep in mind, you can put this on all glass, including the side windows, the back windows. You can even put it on the side view mirrors if you want. Once we hit that 5 minutes, we're going to remove the product from the glass here. And the instructions say basically just to wipe it clean. And this works pretty well, but the product does like to kind of cling to the glass. So we can do like one starting wipe here. And then I've got Gyeon ceramic detailer, which we're going to spray on top to actually help remove the remaining residue from the glass. And because this is hydrophobic, it's just kind of working together and adding some more protection. But really it's helping me remove this residue because it does tend to really bond to the glass, which is a good thing because it's ceramic based and it's strong, so it's hard to remove. We don't want our wiper blades to remove it, so obviously it's complicated to remove. Not complicated, but it takes some elbow grease to get off. Also notice when I sprayed that quick detailer on, immediately it was pretty hydrophobic, so it's already working. And this is a process that's going to take a couple tries. You're going to have to go over it, we're going to have to come back to it. And you might wipe your glass down 2, 3, 4 times until you get it streak free. We also still have to clean the inside of the glass, so it might be a little streaky on camera, but that's actually on the inside. I'm going to show you how I do interior glass, especially windshields, in a second. You can see this side wiped off a little easier because the towel is a little bit damp with ceramic detailer in it. And that really helped the wipe off on this side. I'm still going to spray this one more time on this side. And then we're going to come back to this side one more time, and I'm just going to do one spray. And I just want to really make sure that this side's perfect. And this video plays into the video on ceramic detailers, or just detailers in general, on that R8. But like, this is a great use for a ceramic detailer or a quick detailer. You know, so many people use those in a way where they think they're cleaning dirt off their car like a waterless wash, but it works so much better as a you know, a helper tool when you need to remove residue, or like the way we use it in the R8 video. So yeah, so just keep in mind how you're using quick detailers. You might need to kind of do a mind shift on how you're thinking about it. The glass is all finished now on the outside. It's looking very good. There are definitely smudges, but those are on the inside, so we're going to jump to that and show you how to do inside glass. Alright guys, so the best way to clean interior glass is basically to sit in the passenger seat, and then you're going to reach over and you're going to do this side of the glass, and then we're going to do that far side. This car is a, you know, this Porsche GT4 has pretty serious carbon like bucket seats, so it's a little more complicated than this just because of the way the side of the seat is, but I'm going to show you this. So we're going to use Gyeon Prep. Gyeon Prep is an alcohol-based panel prep, so it's very good at cleaning glass because it evaporates when it's done, so it won't streak, and it's kind of like a degreaser because it's alcohol-based, so it's going to get any fingerprints or anything off the glass really well. So I'm just going to take this. I'm going to spray this into my towel here. I sprayed it pretty good. It's pretty wet. And then we're just going to kind of lean over. I'm going to put my left hand is going to go basically on the seat of the driver's seat, or the floor on the driver's side. And I'm going to reach all the way over. I believe the owner had GoPro mounts and stuff like that when he was driving on the Dragon, so we're basically just removing all those suction cup marks. You can also use these towels with the panel prep on them on your interior screens. So any kind of touch screen or anything like the nav screen here. And this style of prep has got a lot of alcohol in it, so it will sanitize. So if you want to wipe down any high touch areas, it also does a good job of removing fingerprints and dirt out of your like carbon fiber gloss pieces or piano black interior trim. And obviously don't forget to do your side windows. So another thing I recommend you guys do is you're going to take a bottle of your panel prep again, spray it into a towel. I literally sprayed it in just to the corner of this towel, and you're going to take this and you're going to clean your wiper blades. This should get all the grime and crap off your blades. And this is going to help reduce like the judder effect, where your blades can kind of hop over the glass, and that gets kind of annoying. And then after we're done doing this, you're going to see the towel is going to be totally black, right? So do this a couple times, and sometimes you'll do this like 50 times and it'll still come off black, and that's kind of okay. The point is we just want to clean it better than nothing. So clean it as best you can. I'm going to do one more time here just with a dry part of the towel, nothing wet. So you can see all of that came off that one wiper blade. And now to add some slickness back to this, I'm going to take a ceramic quick detailer, and we're going to put some of this on the towel, and then I'm going to wipe this onto the wiper blade. And then same deal, we're going to take a dry spot on the towel, and we're just going to wipe it back off again. And now these wipers are going to clean really, really nicely. They're not going to jump. They're not going to have that like judder effect. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope this was helpful. I hope your view out of your windshield is as good as the one out of this GT4. And if you have any questions for me about QuickView or any of the other processes we talked about here, just give me a comment below and I'll definitely check out the comments and I'll respond to anything and do the best I can to help you so you can get your glass protected and make sure you're safe in the rain and all that good stuff. And we're going to see you in the next video, guys.